Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friend. How are you? I am fine. I hope that you will be all okay from health by the grace of God. Dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. And you are looking the best and trendy collection, hunter boots designs and dresses. Dear guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can get my coming video notification first. Dear friend, today we talk about excellent hunter boots design and dresses design. These hunter boots design is very beautiful and charming color, especially made for rainy season. Dear friend, as you know that my channel is YouTube Fashion Design TV channel and you are watching the best trendy collection hunter boot designs specially made for ladies and girls and women. Also applied excellent perfect hunter boots design. Blue color hunter boot design matching the dresses. Red color hunter boot design, beautiful dresses. Different color, different design. Every color is beautiful. Every design is beautiful and stylish and unique collection. Dear friend, I hope that like my video and share my video with your friends. Dear friend, if you want to see much more collection, I request visit my channel Fashion Design and search my videos about your own choice like bridal dress, PVC raincoat, kids dresses. Please, I request you share my video with your friends. I need more subscribers. These hunter boots design need people who love fashion. Dear guys, please, I request share my video and like my video. In the comment section, please tell me about my videos to be and give me respectable feedback. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.